Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So guys, I was just doing my regular follow-ups with our clients and I accidentally sent the wrong message.
What?
But here's the crazy part. She also has an MX-5. So we started talking about our MX-5s, what mods we have, and what exhaust we plan to get. Then, she invited me to the official Miata Club Philippines monthly meeting. Honestly, I've been wanting to meet more Miata owners because I'm slowly building my own MX-5. So of course, I couldn't say no. But anyway, before I get too distracted talking about cars, let's go back to work. The project I was actually working on that day was Uptown Modern here in Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. If you're not familiar with this area, Uptown Bonifacio is a 15.4 hectare mixed-use township developed by Megaworld. Around 70% of the township is commercial with international offices or even its own mall like Uptown Mall, which where we have international restaurants, retail shops, and supermarkets. The other 30% is residential with projects like One Uptown, Uptown Ritz, Uptown Park Suites, the newly completed Uptown Arts, and of course, our pre-selling project, Uptown Modern, which is scheduled to be ready by 2031. So if you are looking to own a property here in BGC, we both have ready for occupancy and pre-selling units. We also have projects offering special terms like no down payment promo and rent to own promo. So if you're interested, just send me a message. My details are always on the description below. So we can schedule a Zoom meeting or a showroom visit so you can check our model units. And on my next vlog, I'll take you around the different residential projects here in Fort Bonifacio, especially McKinley West, because guys, I think that area is literally underrated. And by the way, we just finished the biggest residential project in that area, the Park McKinley West. So right now, we are offering that building for special rent-to-own promo for 0% interest for a limited time only. So if you're interested, you can see that on my next vlog. So that's it guys. Bye!